Hi students, in this video we discuss about planar and non-planar molecules. Simple concept, highly useful to mains and its students. What is planar molecule? What is molecule? Group of atoms with covalent bonds called molecule. If the atoms of all molecule are present in the same plane, it is called planar molecule. How can you identify a planar molecule? Simple trick. For example, using Vesper theory, we decide the shapes of molecule. If molecule has linear shape, it is planar because both atoms are present in 180 angle. So planar. If molecule planar triangle shape, it is planar. Linear planar triangle. V shape. V shape is a planar. T shape. T shape is also planar. Square planar. These are the planar molecules. Which are having linear shape, planar triangle shape, T shape, V shape, square planar shape are the planar molecules. Using Vesper theory, we decide the shape of molecule. If the molecule have these types of shapes, then they are called planar molecules. For example, CO2. C is the central atom. Oxygen linked to carbon through double bond. Carbon belongs to fourth group. No lone pair. Having 4 valence electrons. 4 electrons are conjugated for bond formation. So, no lone pair. Total pairs on central atom is 2. According to valency Vesper theory, 5 pairs are ignored. Only sigma pairs and lone pairs are counted to predict the hybridization. So, no lone pair, 2 sigma pairs. Hybridization is sp. Shape of molecule is linear. So, it is planar molecule. Next one, water, H2O. According to Lewis theory, O is the central atom. H is linked to oxygen through single bond. Oxygen belongs to 6th group, having 6 valence electrons. Among 6 electrons, 2 electrons are consumed. So, having 4 electrons. 4 electrons are present as here, 2 lone pairs. Total pairs 4. Hybridization is sp3 according to Vesper theory. Among 4 pairs, 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. So, having V shape, it is also planar molecule. Next one is planar triangle. For example, boron trifluoride, BF3. B is the central atom. F is linked to central atom through single bond. Boron belongs to third group, having 3 valence electrons. 3 electrons are conjugated for bond formation. So there is no lone pair. Total pairs, no lone pair. Total sigma pairs 3. Hybridization sp2. All pairs are bond pairs. So having planar triangle shape. So it is also planar molecule. Next one, ClF3. Cl is the central atom. F is linked to central atom through single bond. Cl belongs to 7th group, having 7 valence electrons. Among 7, 3 electrons are conjugated for covalent bond formation, having 4 electrons. As here, 2 lone pairs. Total pairs on central atom is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hybridization is sp3d. Among 5 pairs, 2 lone pairs, 3 bond pairs, having T shape. T shape is a planar shape. Last one is XeF4. What is the Lewis structure of XeF4? Xe is the central atom. F is linked to central atom through single bonds. Simple trick. Other than action, any atom is linked to central atom through single bond. It is 8th group element having 8 valence electrons. Among 8 valence electrons, 4 electrons are conjugated for bond formation, having 4 electrons as a 2 pairs, 2 lone pairs. total pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hybridization sp3 d2 according to Vesper theory. Square planar, the small plane square planar shape among 6 pairs, 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs, 4 bond pairs having square planar shape. It is also a planar molecule. Totally the molecules, their shape is decided by Vesper theory. Using Vesper theory, simple trick, by writing Lewis structure, by counting pairs, using Vesper theory, we decide the shapes, the molecules which are having linear shape, planar triangle shape, V shape, T shape and square planar shape. These are the planar molecule. That means atoms of that molecules are present in same plane. Simple. Here two important concept is writing of Lewis structure. Simple trick to write the Lewis structure. Identification of central atom. Generally the atom which having less number is the central atom. Other than O, remaining are linked with single bond. O is linked with double bond. After writing the linking atoms, we check the valence electrons. Number of bonds is equal to valence electrons, then no lone pair. To know the number of valence electrons, decide the lone pairs. After counting the lone pairs and sigma pairs, 5 pairs are ignored, only lone pairs and sigma pairs are counted. Depending upon their number, we can pick the hybridization and shape. Using Vesper theory is the simple tricks. If you like my video, subscribe my channel.